How do you learn the subject in 24 hours by Rapid Learning Center? How do you learn anything fast? First, use the rich media instead of the static text. Use video and avoid textbooks. Secondly, let the experts teach you the right way. Don't try to learn the tough subject yourself. Lastly, and most importantly, divide and conquer. One chapter, 1 hour at a time. Don't try to bite off the entire book at once. So how do you learn it in 24 hours then? The Rapid Learning System divides the course into 24 chapters and 1 hour study time per chapter. It takes 30 minutes for the rich media tutorial, 20 minutes for the problem drill, and 10 minutes to recap the chapter with super review sheet. There you have it, 1 hour per chapter and 24 hours for 24 chapters in the course. Physical chemistry is a study of the physical basis related to the chemical composition and structure of substances at both the macroscopic and molecular levels. It is traditionally a challenging subject for many. Our physical chemistry professors will guide you through each and every concept visually. Illustrated example by example, you will learn how to apply these concepts to problem solving. The topics include the physical chemistry foundation, equilibrium and thermodynamics, quantum chemistry, molecular spectroscopy, physical chemistry labs. 1 hour, 1 chapter at a time. Master physical chemistry in 24 hours. Now,